Now we solve next problem. If the coefficient of x and x square in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power m into 1 minus x to the power n are 3 and minus 6 respectively, find the value of m and n. So we have 1 plus x to the power m into 1 minus x to the power n will be equals to mc naught plus mc1 into x to the power 1, mc2 into x to the power 2 plus mc3 into x to the power 3 plus and so on plus mcm x to the power m. This is expansion of 1 plus x to the power m, and expansion of 1 minus x to the power n is nc naught minus nc1x to the power 1 plus nc2x to the power 2 minus nc3x to the power 3 plus and so on minus 1 to the power n ncn x to the power n. This is expansion of 1 minus x to the power n here. But given that coefficient of x and coefficient of x square, so first we find coefficient of x. So nc naught is 1. So 1 plus mc1x plus mc2x square plus and so on plus mcm x to the power m, and this is 1 minus nc1x plus nc2x square plus and so on plus minus 1 to the power n ncn x to the power n. So coefficient of x in this expansion is 1 into minus nc1x, it means minus nc1x. This is coefficient of x, and coefficient of x is, if you multiply mc1x by 1, then we find mc1x. This is coefficient of x in this expansion will be equals to m minus nx, and coefficient of x is m minus n here, because given that coefficient of x is 3, it means m minus n is equal to 3. This is equation number 1. Now we find coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square in this expansion is, if you multiply 1 by nc2x square, then you find nc2x square, and coefficient of x is mc1 and coefficient of x is minus nc1x here, then you find minus mc1 into nc1x square, and if you multiply mc2x square by 1, then we find mc2x square. So coefficient of x square in this expansion is nc2 minus mc1 into nc1 plus mc2 into x square. This is coefficient of x square, but given that coefficient of x square is minus 6 here, it means nc2 minus mc1 into nc1 plus mc2 is equal to minus 6. But nc1 is n into n minus 1 upon 2, mc1 is m, nc1 is n, and mc2 is again m into m minus 1 divided by 2, or is equal to minus 6. So n into n minus 1 minus 2mn plus m into m minus 1 is equal to minus 12 here, or n square minus n minus 2mn plus m square minus m is equal to minus 12. So m square plus n square minus 2mn minus m plus n is equal to minus 12, or this will be equals to m minus n whole square minus m plus n is equal to minus 12. But from equation 1, value of m minus n is 3 here, so 3 square is 9 minus m plus n is equal to minus 12. It means minus m plus n will be equals to minus 21, or m plus n will be equal to 21. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 2, and equation number 1 is m minus n is equal to 3. This is equation number 1. Now solving 1 and 2, if we add these two equations, then you find 2m is equal to 24 and m is equal to 12. Now on putting the value of m is equal to 12 in any equation, then we find n is equal to 9. So value of m is 12 and value of n is 9 here. Now we solve next problem. Find the term independent of x in the expansion of 3x square minus 1 upon 2 x cube to the power 10. Let r plus 1th term is independent of x in this expansion. Let r plus 1th term is independent of x in this expansion. So tr plus 1 will be equals to NCR, it means 10CR, x to the power n minus r, it means 3x to the power 3x square to the power 10 minus r, into y to the power r, and y is minus 1 upon 2 x cube to the power r, or will be equals to 10CR 3 to the power 10 minus r and x to the power 20 minus 2r minus 1 upon 2 to the power r into x to the power minus 3r, or will be equals to 10CR 3 to the power 10 minus r minus 1 upon 2 to the power r into x to the power 20 minus 5r. But we want to find here term independent of x in this expansion. So if we put 20 minus 5r is equal to 0, then we find r is equal to 4. Because r is 4, so term will be fifth. So fifth term is independent of x in this expression. Now we discuss next problem. Find a positive value of m for which the coefficient of x square in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power m is 6. So first we find expansion of 1 plus x to the power m. So expansion of 1 plus x to the power m is mc naught plus mc1 x plus mc2 x square plus and so on plus mcm x to the power m. But given that coefficient of x square in this expansion is 6, so coefficient of x square mc2 here, it means mc2 will be equals to 6 and mc2 will be factorial m upon factorial 2 into m minus 2 factorial is equal to 6, and factorial m is m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 factorial divided by 2 into m minus 2 factorial, and this cancel by this. So you find m into m minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 6, and m square minus m is equal to 12. So m square minus m minus 12 is equal to 0. So m square minus 4m plus 3m. M square minus 4m plus 3m minus 12 is equal to 0. So m is common here, it means m minus 4 plus 3 is common, it means m minus 4 is equal to 0, and m minus 4 into m plus 3 is equal to 0. So m will be equal to 4 and minus 3, but m cannot be minus 3 because given that m is positive, so m cannot be minus 3, so value of m is 4 here. So answer is 4.